Hi, my name is Brad Jolly and I'm an application engineer here at Keysight Technologies. Today we're going to talk about an easy and inexpensive way to do over-the-air signaling test on Bluetooth 4.2 IoT devices. Let's take a look at the system. So here are the key components of the X1187A. We have the software which runs on the Keysight Test Automation Platform, or TAP, and you can run that on your own PC. The hardware comprises a 34972 data acquisition unit and a 34999A RF module, which goes into the back of the data acquisition unit. We'll see that in a second. And then finally we have a shield box, which you may choose to use depending on your electromagnetic environment. This blocks extraneous signals. Basically you just turn your DUT on, place it in there like so, and then latch it closed. So we have the TAP software, we have the 34972A with the module in back, and then we have a shield box. So this is what the X8711A looks like from the rear. We have the shield box here, and this RF cable takes the DUT signal from the antenna to the RF module. The RF module then is connected to the device port on the 34972, and it's also connected to the PC. So here's an example of an over-the-air signaling test for a Bluetooth low-energy IoT device. I've got the DUT in the shield box right now, and I can click over here to expand the various test steps by clicking on these pluses and minuses here. And then as I go through here, you'll notice that I've got different test steps on the right side. I can configure the individual fields for the various test steps. I can also turn various steps on and off by simply clicking these blue check marks. In this case, I'm going to do a very complete test, so I can just click Run here. And you can see the test is starting to run. It's got a little timer up here. And what it's doing right now is discovering the device. You can see it reset the MAC address. At this point, it's connecting to the device. It's got the MAC address. And right now, it hasn't found a packet error rate yet. Okay, it's now doing the packet error rate tests. It's doing the advertising interval, 170 milliseconds. You can see that it passed the active scan signaling packet error rate test with a packet error rate of 0%. It passed the connect request signaling packet error rate test with again with a packet error rate of 0. And it also measured the advertising power. And if I click there, I can see the advertising power results here, which were well within the limits of the test. So that's really how simple it is to execute a test and how to configure a test by using the test steps over here. So as you can see, the X8711A is a very simple yet powerful device for testing IoT devices, whether they be Bluetooth Low Energy or wireless LAN. Thank you for watching.